Translate and solve. During Zachary's eye exam, his optometrist determined that 5 of 16 parts of his vision were affected. Determine the percentage of vision that Zachary is missing due to cataract by solving this question. What percent of 16 is 5? And so there are several methods to solve this equation, but we're going to use the percent proportion method, which this is the formula we have is what over of whole. Is equal to the percentage over 100. So when we go back to our problem, we know we have is 5. So the 5 is our numerator. So we'll put 5 on the top. And then we have of 16, which is going to be below our denominator. Then we have percentage, which is our missing information. So we'll just put in a variable c over 100. So now we have this. We can now cross multiply to get c. So we will multiply the 5 and the 100. So we go 5 times 100 is equal to 16 times c. So 5 times 100 is 500 is equal to 16c. So then to get c by itself, we're going to need to divide by 16 on both sides. So using our calculator, we go 500 divided by 16 is equal to 31.25. So c is equal to 31.25. And remember that this is percentage. So 31.25% of his vision is affected by the cataract. Now, let's look at another example. Anna is an ophthalmologist determining the amount of vision affected by her patient's cataract. During the exam, Anna determined that 9 points of vision out of 30 total points were affected. So 9 is what percent of 30? So to do this, we're going to have to write 9 as our numerator because it's, and then we have of 30, which is our denominator. And then we're looking for a percentage. So this is equal to percentage over 100. Now we have this. We can now multiply. So we would multiply the 9 times 100 is equal to the 30. And let's use a variable of x. So we have 30 times x as we multiply those two numbers together. So 9 times 100 is equal to 900. It's equal to 30x. Then to get x by itself, we're going to need to divide by 30 on both sides. So this gets rid of those. So now we have 900 divided by 30 is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30. And this is back in percentage because we're looking for a percentage in this problem. So 30% of the vision was affected by the cataract. So when using proportions to determine a percent, let's first write out the fraction being compared on the left. Then we're going to place a variable over the number 100 on the right of the equal sign. And then we're going to cross multiply it to solve for the answer.